Subscribe to our channel Tech Scholar, hit on bell icon for latest amazing videos. The prestige of any journal is considered by how many indexing services cover that journal. In last few years, it has been observed that authors have started searching for indexed journals to publish their article. However, after all, the big question is, what is an indexed journal? Based on available information and resources, we would like to clear in this video that what is the indexing, what is SCI or Scopus index journal, and which is better. In short, some very basic knowledge required before selection of any journal. Now, what is this indexing journals? Basically, indexing is a database of scientific journals which maintains the ethics and quality in terms of publication. In other words, we can say that the indexing journal considered to be the higher quality if we compare with non-indexed journals. Now, why this indexing is required? Because indexing of a journal provides better visibility to the journal with a wider user, which will help to have access to huge group of readers, which will cause better quality papers and results. Here is the list of some journal index agencies like Google Scholar, Scopus, etc., where you can check whether your planned journal is indexed here or not. Along with the indexing agencies, citation index is also important. The citation index is an ordered list of cited articles, each accompanied by a list of citing articles, where the citing article is identified as a source and the cited article is identified as a reference. Being represented in relevant online abstracting and indexing services is an essential factor for the success of journal. In today's online search scenario, it is so important that a journal is represented in relevant online search system. A citation index is a kind of bibliographic database, an index of citation between publications, allowing the user to easily establish which latter documents cite which earlier documents. Currently, major citation index services are SCI and Scopus. They are adhered to the strict evaluation process through the rigorous and blindfolded review by the well-experienced reviewers across the world. This increases the visibility of your research article. So the main question comes, which is better, SCI or Scopus? Here, SCI stands for Science Citation Index, which was started around the year 1900 by Eugene Garfield, whereas Scopus is Elsewhere's citation and abstract database. So the basic difference already can be understood by above, that one is citation index and another one is database. Apart from that, the SCI carries only handful of journals, like around 8,500 in total, as compared to Scopus, which has a database of about 36,000 journals. SCI journals consist of journals that pass a specific criteria as set by the citation index, whereas Scopus is more wider database with more relaxed criteria for criteria of inclusion. Hence, if you consider from research quality point of view, SCI journal would be a better bet. However, if viewed from the point of getting your paper easily published, Scopus might be an easier target. I hope this video may clear some of your doubts. For more clarification, you may contact on given email ID. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please click on like button, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.